Foothill Naga Coordination Committee, in short Fncc, has decided to call off its blockade and agitation with immediate effect after getting positive assurance from government during a discussion that was held today at Imphal. In the press note, Fncc informed that representatives of state government clarified that construction of unauthorized road has not been approved or sanctioned by state government. Government also assured legal action after verification of such illegal construction or naming of road. Regarding suspension of operations agreement and the designated camps for Sioux groups, state government assured to consider the apprehension of Nagas in foothill areas and to consult center in this regard. Further, regarding poppy cultivation, state government assured to take necessary action, including survey of area and destruction of illegal cultivation of poppy and cannabis in the state. With the assurance from government, Fncc has decided to call off the blockade and agitation that prohibits Kuki communities in Naga inhabited areas with immediate effect.